Hello everyone, welcome to Educare 247. This is the second lecture of NABARD special series. In this video, we'll be discussing MCQs on ARD current affairs, and with the help of this series, we'll be covering the current affairs from April 2020 to September 2020. This is going to be very helpful for upcoming NABARD and RBI examination because agriculture is the part of economy and it can be asked in the RBI grade B examination as well. So this is going to be very important lecture for all NABARD, RBI and SEBI aspirants. The first question is, which of the following university has led the development of app Paddy Watch? It is the real-time monitoring platform for rice fields. The answer is University of Sydney. Researcher from University of Sydney has collaborated with different partners and has developed Paddy Watch app. With the help of this app, farmer can track their rice field on the real-time basis. It will be really helpful for the farmers, those who cultivates rice. Google Earth and Group on Earth Observation has also collaborated with University of Sydney for this very important product. From India, Indian Agricultural Research Institute has helped University of Sydney to develop this product. Basically, University of Sydney has collaborated the institute in China, Malaysia, Indonesia, Vietnam and India. These 5 countries are the largest rice producing countries across the globe. If you will see the data, India, China and Indonesia together produces almost 60% of total world's rice production. So these countries has collaborated and come together for this very important product which will help farmer, and it can be asked in the exam as well. Educare 247 has launched a refresher course for NABARD Grade A 2020. In this course, we are going to cover updated ESI and ARD current affairs, and MCQs on same will be provided. Government scheme of 2020 with MCQs will be provided. Important reports and indices with MCQs will be provided. Summary of Yojana and Kurukshetra with MCQs will be provided. MCQs on census, SECC, livestock census, National Family Health Survey will be provided. 30 sample essay will be provided and 5 essay will be reviewed. Strategy session on descriptive English will be conducted. There we'll talk about how to approach RC, how to approach essay writing and all. Important ARD static MCQs will be also provided. MCQs on NABARD annual report and forest report will be provided. So basically this is the refresher course for the students, those who are preparing for mains NABARD grade A 2020. The next question is, which day has been observed as National Fish Farmers Day? The answer is 10th July. Recently, Department of Fisheries, which works under Ministry of Fisheries, has collaborated with National Fisheries Development Board on the occasion of National Fish Farmer Day, and they have conducted a webinar. Basically, on every 10th July, Government of India celebrates National Fish Farmer Day. This day has been celebrated in the memory of 2 very important scientists, Dr. H.K. Ali Khuni and Dr. H.L. Chaudhary. These are the scientists who has demonstrated hypophagisation. This is basically the technology of induced breeding, and they have demonstrated this technology for Indian major crops on 10th July 1957. So basically on their memory this day has been observed. The aim of this day is to recognize the accomplishment and contribution of fish farmers, aquapreneurs. Aquapreneurs means entrepreneurs in water sector, and recognize their efforts. Also draw the attention to changing the way of country manages fisheries resources. So basically on this very same day we focus on fishery resources. We recognize the efforts of fish farmer and aquapreneurs. So this is very important day. You must remember the day and why it has been celebrated. The next question is, what will be the duration of Agriculture Infrastructure Fund? The answer is 2020 to 29. Recently, Union Cabinet has given approval a pan-India central sector scheme that is called Agriculture Infrastructure Fund. So remember that this is a central sector scheme. The aim of this scheme is to inject formal credit into farm and farm processing based activities. Basically, medium and long term debt financing will be facilitated with the help of this fund. Under this fund, loan will be given for setting up cold storage chain, warehouses, godam, packaging unit, e-marketing point linked to e-trading platform, and this will be worked as a PPP project. So this is also very important, and the duration for this project is 2020 to 2029, and total 1 lakh crore support will be provided by banks and financial institutions as a loan to primary agriculture credit societies, basically marketing cooperative societies, FPOs, self-help group, joint liability group, and other farmers organization. So this is going to be very important fund for the overall development of agricultural infrastructure. The next question is, which of the following is not under National Gene Bank? The answer is White Vitro Gene Bank. Basically, National Medicinal Plant Board, which works under Ministry of Ayush, had signed a MOU with National Bureau of Plant Genetic Resources for the conservation of medicinal and aromatic plant in National Gene Bank. National Gene Bank was established in 1996-7 and it is hosted by National Bureau of Plant Genetic Resources. The purpose of this bank is to conserve the plant genetic resources for future generation in the form of seed, genomic resources, or pollen. Under this facility, 4 kinds of banks are operating for the time being: seed gene bank, cryo gene bank, in vitro gene bank, and field gene bank. You must remember all these points, and these temperatures are also important. It can be asked in the examination. It stores different crops groups such as cereals, millet, medicinal and aromatic plant, and narcotics. These can be asked in your examination because it is related to current affairs. The next question is, which of the following is not a zoonotic disease? The answer is cancer. Recently, UNEP and International Livestock Research Institute has published a report, and in this report they have said that 60% of known infectious disease in human and 75% of all emerging infection are zoonotic in nature. The report was released on 6th July 2020. On this very same day, World Zoonotic Day has been observed worldwide. The day focuses on context and the nature of potential future zoonotic disease outbreak. At the time of COVID, it is very important to identify some further disease like that. And you must be thinking, what is zoonotic disease? Basically, it is a disease that passes into human population from an animal source directly or through an intermediary species. Like it can directly come from the animal, or animal can be the carrier for that disease. Finally, it comes to human. Like COVID has come to humans from snake or bat. It is still debatable, but it has come from some animal. Zoonotic infection can be bacterial, viral, or parasitic in nature. So that is also very important. Some examples of zoonotic disease are HIV/AIDS, Ebola, malaria, and COVID-19, of course. So these are very important points. You must remember these important points. It can be asked in the examination in any form. Hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have enjoyed the video, like, share and comment, and subscribe to Educare 247. Thank you and keep learning. Be safe.